Have you ever wondered how the enchanting world of storytelling can intertwine with the logical realm of coding? Imagine a story full of vibrant characters and thrilling plot twists, all coming alive through the power of Java code. Welcome to the Java Storytellers project, where the magic of narrative meets the precision of programming. Picture a tale you love, a fable that resonated with you, a saga that captivated your imagination, or perhaps a story of your own creation. Now, imagine bringing this tale to life through Java. This isn't your conventional coding project. It's a journey into the heart of creativity and logic, where every method, every object, and every line of code brings your narrative to life. So how does a story transform into an application? Let's start with the characters. In the realm of Java, these characters become objects, each with their own unique attributes and behaviors. A brave knight might have attributes like strength and courage, while a cunning sorceress might possess powerful spells. These attributes translate into Java code as variables, while their behaviors become methods. Settings and plots also play crucial roles. They form the environment in which your characters interact. Imagine a bustling city or a quiet forest. In Java, these settings can be represented as collections of objects, each with its own properties and interactions. But what's a story without a twist? Java's exception handling allows you to add unexpected turns to your narrative. A sudden dragon attack or a failed spell can be coded as custom exceptions, adding depth and excitement to your tale. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. This adventure is filled with teamwork, brainstorming, and fun coding sessions. Together, you'll overcome challenges, solve puzzles, and craft a masterpiece of code and creativity. So, are you ready to embark on this unique coding adventure? It's time to unleash your imagination, dive into the world of Java, and become a storyteller. With each line of code, you're not just building an application, but crafting a story, a world, an experience. Welcome to the Java Storytellers project. Your coding adventure begins now.